Okay, so I've got the border trace, as you can see, and I use just a spritz to kind of keep the leather moist. And the next step is going to be using my swivel knives to cut into it. And I have two of them. This one is, it's a new one for me, and this one's different. So the swivel knife basically swivels, just like the name says. In this case, the blade swivels. And I'll demonstrate both of these. So that first one's new to me. This is one I've been using, and it has a very nice, a very small blade that's great for detail. So I think it's going to be great to have both. And this one you swivel here as opposed to the blade only. So I'll do this one first, and I'll just kind of show you, give you an idea. So I'm going to work on one of these paws. Hopefully you can see this okay. Let me move it a little bit there. So I just take those lines that I've traced and I cut into the leather. And so what this process does is it enables me to mark the leather more permanently for additional steps. And so this project here is definitely going to be a multi-day project. And as you can see, I'm working on the border first. And then I'm going to take photos of the dogs that I'm going to carve, and I'm going to do a very similar process where I transfer those photos onto the leather and start with this step that we're doing right here. So hopefully you can see what that does. So it kind of cuts into the leather. So now I'll show you this knife. And again, this one here, you know, I held it like so, and it swivels as I move around. This one, the blade moves. So I think what I'll do with this is I'll just do a straight line and show you. Hopefully you can see okay. I'm gonna turn it. Probably not going to give you the best feel for how the blade moves. I'll do another cut here. Let's do the other part of the paw. Let's just go with this right here. So this blade is made so that you should be able to write with it more like a pen. And I am definitely adjusting to it. I'm used to kind of turning my leather around. That's one of the really cool things about leather. There's so much to learn. So if you're like me and always interested in learning more that life has to offer, leather is an amazing thing. So there we go, just like that. So I will basically do this process with every single line you see on this border. And like I mentioned in the previous video, this is a huge piece. It's going on a 22-inch wide bag. So it's going to take me some time to do it, and I'm going to enjoy every single minute. Just like so. So stay tuned for the steps after the swivel knife. Thanks for joining me.